Good morning guys, and welcome back to another Florida vlog. If you're new around here, then we're the Morris family, and in a nutshell, we come to Florida a lot. And today you're joining us at Blizzard Beach. So Nick has just gone and got the refill cup, which is $13.99, so that'll do us all day. And now we're going to go and get our camp set up somewhere, and as you can see again, the weather is absolutely belting. So we've got the cup, which is what, $14.90 with tax.
Yep.
Decent size. Choice of drink?
Coke.
Coke? What is the choices?
Oh, Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Minute Maid, Powerade.
And that's refillable all day, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect, let's go and get our seats. First impressions, it looks like it's going to be a very quiet day, which we'll take that all day long. Going to set up base camp over near the kids' cargo net, so we can get a bit of shade, seats and all that. Near the refill drinks machine and the ice cream truck. So yeah, all good. We actually haven't been here since 2013, I think it is. Purely because, I'll be honest with you, I'm late on the line, because that's what I do on this channel. So with Volcano Bay people, if you want me to rate them, then it's going to go Volcano Bay, Aquatica, Typhoon Lagoon, and then Blizzard Beach. Typhoon Lagoon, when you could swim with all the fishes, and that was insane. That was another level. Obviously they got rid of that, but I think Aquatica is massively underappreciated as well. But let's give it, we're gonna wipe the slate clean, see what sort of day we have, and I'll give you a normal thing, my rating out of 10. We're gonna get a load of food in, and then yeah, give an honest review like we do with everything. So I'm gonna touch back on last night's vlog. If you haven't watched it, cinematic, mind-blowing. Get there, I wouldn't say get there early, but you need to get there 7:15, start queuing. But hell of a show. By far my favourite park, Disney. By far my favourite park in Disney is Hollywood Studios, and that just tops it even off. Just gives you that little bit of special at the end, doesn't it? But yeah, let's crack on with this day, and hopefully it's a good one. Whoa! Oh. Yeah, that's cold. Jesus. Oh, that's cold. Your mum could do this. Hey. Here we go, you get wet, it's gonna be cold. Oh. And now we just float on out. First one, that voice. First one done, nice chilled one. Good way to start off. One thing's for sure, you'll never get out of a water ride gracefully. You've either got your backside hanging out, you've got your rolls all hanging out. It's hard work, that's the hardest part of the ride, getting out the flaming ring at the end. But go on the other side of the park now, check out the other raft rides, and leave the 2 drop sides till the end before we leave. So yeah, straight on, that was. It's always nice going up on the stair lift as well. Yeah, let's go to the other side of the park now and see what we can do over there. Nick, wave. Wave to the video. So we're going for the Ultra Fantasy Ruby Red. I had this one before, but the best thing about this one is the can. Taste is alright, but the can's the best thing about it. Yeah, still like it. 8 out of 10. So it's one of the places to eat, the Warming Hut, which is offering barbecue pork sandwich, nachos with pork, and winter harvest salad bowl, and Mickey shaped pretzel. We've got brownie sundae, orange slope swirl, and a Dole Whip orange. Right, so Nikki, Callum and Faye are going to have the pulled pork burger over the other side of the water park. Me and Ebby, I'm going to have a hot dog, Ebby's going to have a macaroni and cheese. And yes, I am wearing a Volcano Bay top in Disney, as that's the type of guy I am. Yeah, it's absolutely scorching today. So hopefully this hot dog delivers, because they've had the pulled pork burger, which did look very nice, which I should get some clip to add in. Hopefully Nick will get the footage of Callum eating it. Let's get in this queue and check it out. Right, so I went for the macaroni and bacon hot dog. Abby went for side and mac. Both meals come with a packet of crisps each. And Abby also got an apple juice and a cookie with hers. And the total for this was $23.41, which I don't think is bad at all. Let's give it a go. Get the mac on its own. Yeah, it's a good shout this is. You can get rid of the mac like a starter and load up your normal dog. So we're just about to get the Sand Pale Sundae from Icy Expedition, which we got 13 years ago, so Nick wants to get it again for a photo opportunity with Ebony, so she can recreate the picture for memories, which is a nice touch. And we want some ice cream, so win-win. So it comes with vanilla and chocolate soft serve, sprinkles, waffle cone pieces, yellow cake, hot fudge, caramel sauce, whipped cream, and a cherry layered in a Sand Pale bucket. Nice. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Check it out, gang. That'll do nicely. Well, I can already tell you from 13 years ago, it's a lot smaller, which is quite ironic because I'm probably doubling the size that I was 13 years ago in weight, but it's going, hopefully it tastes good, but it's definitely not smaller. And it was probably about 10 bucks back then, but let's go and tuck into it. And it smells incredible.
Stop looking at it, pick the spoon up. Oh yeah, it's chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Oh wow, look. Just dig in, Callum. It's like Rossi's.
But a lot smaller.
Are you going to keep that? Ed can have our own ice cream in it at home. So what's in this?
Well, I don't advise anyone to get that. Obviously we got it for the photo op, but let's just say it was a lot better 13 years ago than it is now. Basically a soft serve, stale waffle and a few sprinkles in it. So don't waste your money on that. The churro ones that they do there look really nice. So my advice is go and get a churro with some soft serve on it. Don't get lured into that. That's my tip of the day. $35, you want a beach towel? All your snacks. $29.99, which is your standard Rush UV top. $54.99. Yeah, $54.99. Long sleeve one. Yeah, you won't be skiing us later, unfortunately for you.
Now approaching stop 7 north. Now approaching stop 6 north.
A couple of hours later now, just down the bottom of International Drive near Surfside, because we are going to KFC for dinner. Now you're probably thinking, why the hell is he going to KFC when they got it in England? Well, that's how I was for 10 years. Get saying to Nikki, not doing KFC, not doing it. Then what did I do in September? Done KFC. And what did I do? Eat humble pie. Because the KFC that we get served up is basically a Wish version of KFC compared to what the Americans do. It is mind-blowing. Pick what chicken you want, how you want it cooked. Mashed potato, gravy, macaroni and cheese, loads of other stuff. So we're going to show you what KFC, like the International Drive, is like, how much it costs and what it comes out like, just in case you want a cheap dinner and you just want something to fill the spot basically. And then after we're going to go and get a Twistee treats. So yeah, and then from KFC to Twistee treats, I'll let you know what I thought of Blizzard Beach after 13 years. Right, so this place is open from 10 in the morning till 2 in the morning. Ideal for coming back from Horror Nights in the summer months. It's in. There's the bowls. Macaroni, chicken, cheese, gravy bowl with chicken on top. Big gravy. Side of mac. Crispy chicken, crispy chicken.
Right.
Good, isn't it, Cal? Wow. Better gravy up.
I'll pay for this till I come.
That's better. Look at that. Roasting. Look at that. Yeah. Faye's got the gravy bowl, which is chicken, cheese, mashed potatoes, sweet corn, and gravy. Give it a bash.
It's such a good value money. Family dinner.
That's
You
really
don't
nice.
have to go to Longwalls every night of the week.
How crispy is the skin?
Well,
Is it?
and look at the size of the piece of the chicken.
Yeah, and that's $1 more, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mental.
It's like the size.
Try a mac and cheese count.
You like it?
Nice. Where do I start? Has this got bone in it?
Yeah, just get your lips around it.
I would have had a fork in it. Not really soft.
Chicken?
Yeah, really soft because then that's a breast as well.
The size of that cow.
going to fit in there, is it?
No, you need to break it apart.
You need to pour it on your thing, plate.
So I got a bit on there.
Massive, isn't it?
What do you think of the skin?
I knew they were big, but I forgot how big they were.
That's really good.
Yeah, told you, innit? Our KFC's naff, innit?
Bet they're not going to eat 3.
Massive. So soft and seasoned. That's the difference as well, it's seasoned. How good was that?
Lovely.
Out of 10, Kate?
10.
Nick?
I'll always say it's 10.
Ebo?
9.
Faye?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
I'm just not very hungry.
Oh, it's just not very hungry. Now it's time to get some dessert. Well, why don't you walk on? Walk on, it's bad, babe. Ready? Strawberry and vanilla swirl, gummy bears, and a hot fudge sauce. Oh my god.
Nice.
That is freaking incredible.
Everyone says they're really nice. We're always too full to have one. Hence why
You
none
gotta
of us
try it.
lot have had anything because we're stuffed from our
Just
dinner.
try it.
Oh no, you're dripping everywhere.
That is, you won't be able to describe what that tastes like.
I really want one, but I just don't know. I can't do it.
Isn't it?
Are we up near this way at any point before we go? We're not, are we?
Have a bit.
Just taste some.
Describe that ice cream.
Is that yogurt?
You'd have been dead if you dropped that one.
Jesus Christ, that's a mess. Oh wow. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm having another one.
And it's so good.
Do you want to taste some of them?
Wow.
Do you want some, boo?
Look at that one.
Isn't it?
Wow.
That's probably only
That
a
is
small.
so nice. That's so good. Actually, don't have to really want.
Okay, the dude, the banana smell.
Look how tiny the little bears are.
Them bears are well tasty.
Oh, that's really nice.
Told you. What do you describe it as?
Yeah. It's just really creamy, like really,
Yeah.
really creamy.
Insane. And that's a small. I want to get a milkshake next time. 10 out of 10?
That is incredible. Them gummy bears are well tasty as well.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
I can't say what it tastes like.
But you know it's good.
It's better than a McFlurry.
Yeah. Better than a Rossi's as well. You could go to the world's biggest McDonald's.
Very romantic.
Yeah, very romantic, Big Count. Let's have a nice Happy Meal.
It's not happy now. You can have pasta, pizza, whatever you want.
Yeah, pasta piece, whatever you want. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys, and watching our vlog. It really does mean the world to us. If you could like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, we'd be eternally grateful. If you have any questions regarding any of the vlogs, then please drop a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. But once again, thank you very much for watching the vlogs and we hope you have an amazing week.